Today on Tell Your Mama, I'm sharpening my knives. Wow!
We're going live in 5, 4, 3, 2. Hey, Rusty. Oh, hey there. Hey there, pardon me. Hi, friends. My name is Rusty, and I'm here today to show you about the Chef's Choice Hybrid Electric Knife Sharpener. I have a special guest. Her name is Italian Mama. She's here to give us a demonstration on how this thing works. How you doing, Italian Mama? She's live from her home.
Hi, Italian Mama. I'm back again with another product review.
I asked my special guest the question. Got dull knives? Have trouble sharpening them things?
You know you're in trouble when your steak knife doesn't even cut your bread. Look. And I have so many knives here that are so dull. I had these for years, and every time Poppy goes to sharpen them downstairs, they sharp for one day, for a week or so, and then they're dull again. These must be at least 30 years, maybe. And these, one of these I got for my bridal shower, so that's like over 60 years. Some of them are very old. I don't throw anything out.
Well there, Italian Mama, you sure do have a lot of knives there. Who cares if your knives are 65 years old? The Chef's Choice Knife Sharpener will sharpen those puppies right up. It will bring back the life to any old knife that you have so you can use it in your kitchen.
We're gonna put it to the test today and see if it really works.
There's just 3 easy steps. All right, Italian Mama, are you ready to give us that demonstration?
Shall we get started?
Oh, she's ready, my friends. Let's see what she's got to say about the Chef's Choice Knife Sharpener.
We have a bunch of hard vegetables here, and now we're going to put them to the test. We're going to cut them first with a dull knife, and then we're going to cut them with the sharpened knife and see the difference. This is like the Fruit Ninja. Remember when I made the video of the fruit, slicing the fruit? Woo, woo, woo. Oh, wow, look at that. This knife is really dull. Look, that even cut my finger. This is the old knife I'm using, very dull.
Italian Mama, be careful with that butternut squash. That is a heavy squash.
It's very hard. I can't cut through this butternut squash. Let's sharpen it.
Anyone can use the Chef's Choice Hybrid Electric Knife Sharpener. It's as easy as 1, 2, and 3. Just guide it in there, Mama, nice and slowly. Go to step 2 now. And to finish it off, make sure you do step 3. It's the polishing stage, Mama.
All right, I sharpened it 3 steps. Let's see what happens. Cut. It's much easier. It's much sharper than it was, but still I can put my hand on, my fingers on it still.
Rusty's ready.
The next set of knives, we're going to try to make them sharper.
If they're not sharp, just repeat the process.
Next step, acorn squash. Here we go. This is another dull knife. Very dull. Oh, madam. Very, very hard. Oh, no, it's not working. I'll be here all day.
You having a little trouble there, Italian Mama?
Time to sharpen the knife. Okay, here goes.
Now, Italian Mama, you are having a little trouble with your knife, so you're going to have to repeat the process. 1, 2, and don't forget about step 3, the polishing phase. I'm sure you'll have better success this time.
Cut. It's much easier. I have some newer steak knives, and I'm going to try to sharpen them now. This is my steak knife before I sharpen it. That took a little bit of muscle, but at least I got a cut. Now I'm going to sharpen the knife and see what happens. Okay, I just sharpened my knife. Now let's see if it's any easier. It was easier. Did you see that?
Italian Mama, try something more smooth, like a piece of bread or a tomato.
I'm going to try something more delicate, like a tomato. I'm going to use the dull knife first, and then I'm going to use the sharpened knife. I don't want to cut. Oh, this is the sharpened knife. Let's see what happens. Oh. Woo. See that? Normally, I have to poke the tomato to get it started to slice. But see how fast I slice? The steak knife sharpened better on the sharpener.
Oh, hey there! Sorry about that. Thanks, Italian Mama. You did a great job. Now, if you remember now, Italian Mama had a little bit of trouble, but after she went through a couple more times, her knives got sharp. Sharp knives lead to increased productivity, more fun in the kitchen, and they're all around safer to use. Less slippage.
Yeah! I do recommend this knife sharpener because it did improve my knives. My knives are very old, you know, and they did improve and they did cut in the end. It's an easy product for seniors to use. You can't get hurt by using this.
It made it seem like she had a little bit of trouble, but I think those knives really were sharp. She was just pulling our pork chop there. And she recommends it, yes she does, for seniors. So you go out there now and you buy yourself a Chef's Choice knife sharpener. You can buy them on Amazon. The link is in the description below. If you don't know about Italian Mama, go to her channel because she is known for reviewing products and sharing good recipes. Something you need sharp knives for. Now I heard her great-granddog Andy the lab. Man, that dog has got a good channel. Woo! I get tired just looking at that dog. That dog's always running, swimming. This is just the darndest thing. So cute there. Well, thanks so much for watching. I'm gonna leave it back to you, Italian Mama, to say your goodbye. Don't forget to check in the description below for Italian Mama's other videos.
No, it ain't working. Thanks for watching Italian Mama. Love you. Bye. I was going to cut it with my cleaver, but I would thought this was, slip around, cut my hand off. It's warm. I really like it.
Then why do you keep drinking it?
She's taking a video.
Well, hey, my friends! I hope you consider the Chef's Choice knife sharpener. It makes a great addition to any kitchen. Click to subscribe, check out her other videos.
Bye.